Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to discount a product on Gumroad. In today's digital marketplace, creating irresistible deals is a powerful strategy to boost your sales and attract more customers. If you're looking to enhance your marketing efforts, offering discounts on platforms like Gumroad can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the know-how to set up a discount smoothly and effectively, ensuring your promotions are both enticing and well executed. Let's dive right in by navigating to gumroad.com. Once you have reached the Gumroad homepage, the first step is to access your account. This is essential for setting up those enticing discounts. Look for the login button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking it will take you to the login page, where you will encounter several options to access your account. For simplicity and security, let's opt to log in using Google. Click on the Google option and select your account to proceed. This single sign-on method not only saves time, but also ensures your login credentials remain secure and easy to manage. Now that you're logged into your Gumroad dashboard, the next step is crucial: navigating to the checkout section. You'll find this feature right there on your dashboard menu. Clicking on it will open up a new page dedicated to all your checkout and discount settings. This is the hub where you can start crafting those exclusive discount offers that can drive more sales and engage your customers. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the New Discount button. Upon clicking it, a new form will appear, inviting you to fill in the details of your discount offer. Begin by typing in a name for your discount. It's important to choose something both memorable and descriptive. This is particularly helpful if you plan on running multiple promotions simultaneously. A well-chosen name will aid in staying organized and allow you to easily track the performance of each campaign. With the name in place, it's time to create your discount code. If the auto-generated version doesn't resonate with your campaign's tone or isn't catchy enough, you have the flexibility to edit it. Simply click within the text box and type in your preferred series of characters. Remember, a good discount code is short, easy to remember, and preferably relevant to the product it applies to. This makes it easier for customers to recall and use. The next step involves deciding which product the discount will apply to. Click on the product section within the discount creation form. Here you can choose a specific product or even apply the discount to all your products, depending on your marketing strategy. This flexibility allows you to tailor discounts to meet various marketing objectives, whether you're clearing out old stock or promoting a brand new product launch. Now, specify the percentage of the discount you'd like to offer. Type it into the appropriate field. Whether you're offering a modest 10% off or a jaw-dropping 50% discount, ensure that the percentage aligns with your business goals and still leaves you with a healthy profit margin. Finally, once you've double-checked all the details to ensure accuracy, click on Add Discount to finalize and activate the deal. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a discount on Gumroad. Remember, strategic discounts can enhance customer loyalty and significantly increase revenue, so use this powerful tool wisely and to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to discount a product on Gumroad, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.